And do this on my own. Hey, nope. Hey. Someone watching it.
Hey guys, it's your boy AHS back with another video, and today we're picking up our Yeezys. We won 3 pairs, all my size, all for me. For now we're early, so I don't know what we're going to do. Don't want to go stand over there like idiots yet. There it is, over there. But we're very early.
Ooh,
hey guys, got my shoes. I'm gonna open them in the car to look at them.
We don't got time for that. We got 3 more spots to hit,
and
bro.
It's so hot.
And let me tell y'all this, look, I'm not getting my size 11 because I don't got data because niggas is broke. And she don't give a fuck.
I do.
Not even trying. No one's phone works for Adidas at all. But this shit crazy, man. Like no one gives a fuck. It's crazy because it's like I went through hell to get her shit. Don't give a fuck about mine.
I do.
It's 37,000 pairs online and I'm not even gonna make it home in time, bruh. Anyway, let's get to the next spot. We got a 45-minute drive. Hopefully it goes smooth because this was fucking smooth as fuck. We were first in line, bro. So I'm gonna hit you when we get to the next spot, which is, which one?
We're going to...
Bro, she can't wait. Go ahead, just open it. Just fucking open it.
Alright, you ready guys?
Go ahead, open it.
Ooh. Oh, they're cute.
Oh.
You see?
Ooh.
They're actually cute.
Yeah, these are actually really nice. Butter, guys, I'll show y'all when we get back. What's up, guys? Your boy just back with another motherfucking
video.
Yeah, video, nigga. You already know what it is. But anyway, today, the drop of the Yeezy V2 Butter, which is, I don't know, it's weird. Because they actually call it butter. It's not just like, because it's the color of butter. But anyway, boy, today was a long day. We won, well, she won twice for Kicks USA, and I won once. But it was for her size. But when I checked my email, I was souped. But then when I scrolled down, it said size 5 because I put in like a couple for her. And of course, I would want her size because usually her size is hard to get. But I couldn't go in line because I had to drive to, if you guys are from New Jersey, I drove from Trenton. We went early. We woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Trenton. And then from Trenton, we went to Irvington, and Irvington went to Orange. But Irvington and Orange are literally like 15 minutes apart, 12 minutes. But that's so convenient. It's just, it's weird how we want, well, I went in Irvington, you went in Orange, and she went in Trenton. So it's like, we picked them all up because usually the Kicks USA time was 10 to 11. So if that was the case, we wouldn't be able to pick up all of them. Mm-hmm. We probably just would have stuck with the Irvington and Orange then to get 2.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, leave the Trenton. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath because been up, have not used the bathroom. I just got back from the mall. I couldn't even try to get my size 11. Try to size swap for the 5, not just give it to someone who didn't get it. I'm just waiting on the off-white, black, and white Prestos. I know I normally don't do a shoe video, but she got lucky. Go ahead, show them. Look at that.
Shoe haul.
Hold on. Oh, drop it.
Dent in the box.
Drop it. I don't care. If we dent the box, you just keep that one. That man, 3 pairs. Quick review. She has to go to work in literally like 20 minutes, so we can't do an on feet. So she'll probably do an on feet, or we'll do a separate video for that. But look at that. That, guys. It's just the chip to let you know where it's been at in the world. Hold up. It's focusing on you.
It's literally not. Oh.
But guys, look at this. It's literally crazy. It's literally like, it's better in person. I really can't explain it right now, but look. It's like neon, you know, this.
It's like pastel but neon. It's hard to explain. And
the bottom is like buttery, but then the top is like it. Yeah, let me do like, pick up the camera for you guys. It's like, it's weird. Like the laces are a different color. Like they're not all the same color, guys. And you guys are looking at the carriage in the back. That is for the dogs because they fuck up the carpet. And she did drop a pair of shoes. But anyway, look, I can't really do this justice. It almost looks like the cream whites with yellow laces if you're looking at this on camera. So if you're looking up to pick up these guys, you gotta go in person because these are something different. Low key, like, mad I didn't get my size 11, but like I said, I'm looking forward to the prices. I'm probably gonna end up getting it. But like I said, if you don't have these right now in person, you can't tell how good these are. And I don't know, they're really good. Hold up here, she gonna try one on for you guys. It's on.
Yeah, they smell bad.
Yeah, low-key stink.
Nuh-uh.
I don't know if it's because it's melted butter. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Kill myself here.
Oh, you were kidding?
It was a joke. What? No, they really do stink though. They don't smell like. Look at that.
Yeah, but they don't smell like feet.
They don't smell like new shoes either, you know? Look at that, guys. Hold up. How does it fit?
Nice. It's perfect.
Yeah, these shits
size 5 is my perfect size.
Guys, these shits are so clean and perfect. like with some black ripped jeans. I know it's the summertime, or maybe like some black shorts,
That's
a
what I
gray
was
shirt.
thinking.
What?
Black ripped jeans. I was thinking about my outfit yesterday.
Yeah, and maybe like a white, like an off-white like color, or black. You could be basic and do like a black t-shirt, but you know what I'm saying. Let me see. These shits are fire, guys. Go pick up your pair. I'm gonna do a separate video. Maybe when I get mine, I might do an on foot with different outfits and shit. I don't know. It's the first sneaker one of the channel. There was 36,000 online, and I couldn't manage to get home. I just got home, and it literally just sold out. And I don't know, man. If you guys picked it up, comment down below how you guys feel about these in person. And if you slept, why did you sleep on these? Because these are actually pretty nice. Girlfriend likes them. And hey, it is what it is. It's your boy HS. And it's your girl. Keep her name. Don't ever do that. Anyway, we'll see you next time because she has work and I'm trying to go to sleep. So it's your boy HS. And I'll see you next time, huh?
Close, yep, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road, ayy, ayy. Might go down as G-O-D, yep.